The Ministry of Education, in partnership with all states and union territories, is organizing the Janbhagidari events to create awareness and generate a sense of pride amongst various stakeholders like students, teachers, parents, and the community as a whole about the G20, National Education Policy, and Foundation Literacy and Numeracy or FLN. In line with this intention, various activities like workshops, exhibitions, seminars, and conferences have been planned from 1st to 15th of June 2023 all across the country at the state, district, block, panchayat, and school levels to involve people from all walks of life. Other Janbhagidari events include the exhibition to showcase the best practices in the field of school education, higher education and skill education from the 17th to 22nd June 2023 at Pune, Maharashtra. The two-day national conference on foundation literacy and numeracy on 17th and 18th June. The 4th Education Working Group or 4th EdWG discussion at Pune from 19th to 21st June 2023 and the Education Ministerial meeting on the 22nd of June at Pune, Maharashtra. In Shillong, the 4th Education Working Group Janbhagidari events also kick-started on the 7th of June 2023 at the Auditorium Hall of the Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Shillong, where the inaugural program was graced by the State Project Director, Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, and Director of School Education and Literacy, Meghalaya, Swapnil Tembe, in the presence of other officials of the Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, students, teachers, and others.